does take some getting used to, but once you're used to it, it's alright.
Right, but audio-wise, you're kind of pretty stock, I reckon.
Yeah, well, it's the whole mic, no processor on the wide setting. Nothing I can do about the audio. The mic gain's right up as far as he'll go, I believe. Yeah, he is. And now I'm going to dekey and switch the processor in and see what it's like. Okay, mate, right, that's with the processor in. I can immediately see that the power is a lot further up. But I don't know what it's done to the audio. Back to you.
Yeah, no, that's hang on a minute. That's a lot better.
Yeah, I thought it would be. I know these old 140s, they were always the same. You had to run them with a processor on, you know what I mean, no matter what.
Yeah, just drop it, knock him back off again.
You make of it, there's no distortion or RF or anything?
Yeah, I keyed over you then. I said just turn him, knock it back off again and give us some more audio and then put it back on again.
Okay, this is with the processor off. Let's wait for that computer to voice. Yeah, this is processor off. 26 Sugar Delta 303. 26 Sugar Delta 303. Testing audio, test. And this is with the processor on. 26 Sugar Delta 303. Testing audio, test, over.
Yeah, no, it's definitely there's not a massive difference, but there is a difference because your signal pops up a little bit, and it's a lot more crispier and just a bit more. And I was going to say to you, I got a funny feeling. I don't know whether it was that radio particular or there was a radio, and to adjust the mic, the processor, you had to take the lid off.
Yeah, I seem to remember something about that actually, Mark. But what I'll do, I think I've got the manual. I think you sent it to me. But I think it's on the other PC, but I'll check that out. That's not a problem. Here we go. That'll be my sister to pick me up. Stand by.
Yeah, I'm positive. I ain't got my PC on here. I ain't got a mouse for the PC in here. I got to keep swap. Yeah, I'll stand by a minute. And was there somebody calling? QRZ, that station calling? 01001? Yeah, I think it's 1 division over. Yeah, okay, a lot of QSB, okay, very weak signal. This is 26 division, okay, 26 Sugar Delta 412. And in QSO with local station 26 Sugar Delta 303. But yeah, good afternoon to you there, Roger.